Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Breadfruit Caldine, a creamy and comforting Goan classic that brings together mild sweetness, gentle spice, and rich coconut flavors. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for breadfruit caldine. This traditional dish is known for its smooth coconut-based gravy, infused with basic spices and paired beautifully with tender breadfruit and the unique umami taste of dried prawns. Breadfruit is widely used in coastal cooking and is valued for its soft, potato-like texture and its ability to absorb flavors beautifully. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious breadfruit caldine. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients for grinding. We have taken 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, 6 medium-sized cloves of garlic cut into small pieces, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 2 tablespoons of rice. Wash the rice and discard the water. Ingredients for cooking. Take 1 medium-sized breadfruit weighing around half a kg. You can also take a bigger breadfruit and only use half the portion. 1/3 cup of dried prawns. Take a dry prawn, cut off and discard the head, legs and tail. Once done, rinse them in water. Take 2 medium-sized onions, cut them fine. 1 medium-sized tomato, cut it fine. 1 green chili, cut the green chili into 2 and then slit them. 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Extracting the coconut milk. In a mixer grinder, add the freshly grated coconut. Add the washed rice. Add the garlic pieces. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the coriander seeds. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of water. Grind to extract thick coconut milk. If needed, add little more water while grinding. We added 2 tablespoons of water while grinding. Once done, place a strainer on a bowl. Put a muslin cloth on the strainer. Pour the ground coconut in it. Press and squeeze the way I have shown to extract thick coconut milk. After extraction, we got around 1 cup or 250 ml of thick coconut milk. Pour it in a bowl and keep it aside. Now take the coconut that you had already ground and put it back in the mixer grinder. We are doing this to extract thin coconut milk. Add 1.5 cups or 375 ml of water and grind the coconut. Place the bowl under the strainer. Place the muslin cloth on the strainer. Pour the ground coconut in it. Press and squeeze to extract thin coconut milk. We will get around 1.5 cup or 375 ml of thin coconut milk. Place it aside. Step 3. Preparing the breadfruit. Peel off the skin of the breadfruit using a knife or a peeler. Cut off the stem. Once done, cut the breadfruit into 4 quarts. Take 1 quart, then remove the core from the center. Once done, take 1 quart and cut it into medium-sized cubes, just like the way I have shown. Once done, place all the breadfruit pieces in a bowl containing water To prevent it from discoloration, keep this bowl aside.
Hello everyone. We would like to introduce our new channel, Get Cooking Global, where we share restaurant-style Indian and international recipes in the same detailed, step-by-step recipe style that you've seen on Get Cooking Now. So, if you love restaurant-style dishes and want to prepare them at home, then you must definitely check out our new channel, Get Cooking Global. The link for our new channel is provided in the description box. Or simply mention Get Cooking Global in your comment and we will send you the link. Now, let's continue with our recipe.
Step 4. Preparing the Breadfruit Caldine. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil or your regular cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the finely cut onions. Cook the onions until they turn slightly golden brown. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan. Once the onions turn slightly golden brown, add the washed dried prawns. Cook them for around 2 minutes. Stir everything nicely. After around 2 minutes, add the finely cut tomato. Stir everything properly. After a minute, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the green chili. Add 2 tablespoons of water to soften the tomato faster. Stir everything nicely. Once the onions and tomato have fully mashed, add the breadfruit. Stir them well for around 5 minutes. Stir everything properly. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add the thin coconut milk. Mix everything nicely. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Mix everything properly. Add the sugar. Stir everything properly. Cover and let it simmer for around 15 to 18 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan. After around 15 to 18 minutes, stir everything nicely. Check for salt and add if required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir everything properly. Check if the breadfruit is almost cooked. Once the breadfruit is almost cooked, reduce the heat to low and add the thick coconut milk. Stir everything properly. Let it simmer for around 3 minutes. Check for salt and add if required. Breadfruit generally takes around 20 minutes to cook, but it may take less or more time depending on the breadfruit you are using. Check if the breadfruit is cooked. It should be soft and tender. Once cooked, put the heat off. Serve the breadfruit caldine hot with rice, bread, chapati or roti. Deliciously smooth and creamy breadfruit caldine is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.